Am I the a-hole for not selling my father's estate and give the money to my brother before my father passed away? My father has dementia, no longer lucid at all, and is living in a 24-hour care facility. His doctor said at this stage his life expectancy can be anywhere from 3 to 5 years. He knew this was coming, and he set his affairs when he still had a sound mind. He gave me power of attorney and he made me the executor of his estate. The state laws here and the terms of my dad's power of attorney document gives me the power to sell or transfer anything. Effectively, I'm in complete and total control of his estate. I'm the youngest of 4, 2 older brothers and a sister, and there is a large age gap between me and my 3 siblings. I'm 18 years younger than my sister, who is the next youngest. Because of the age difference, we were never close. When my dad told all of us about his estate planning decisions, I could tell my siblings were really apprehensive about how much power my dad gave me, but I told them everything from that point. Our dad's estate would effectively be frozen. I'll find management companies to take care of his properties, and the money will go back into the estate for his care. I'm not selling anything, I'm not buying anything, and I'm going to follow our dad's wishes to the letter. When our dad passes, we'll divide up the estate according to his will. Everyone was happy with that. In my dad's will, he left my brother some property. My brother is now asking me to use my power of attorney to sell the property our father left to him and transfer the money to him now. He needs it to keep his business running while he bids for a big contract he says he can win, and that will allow him to keep the business running long term. He says the property will eventually go to him and he's going to sell it, so the end result is the same. It's just a timing issue. I refused and reminded him that I promised everyone I wasn't going to sell anything or make any changes, and I'm not making any exceptions. He gets upset and calls me an a-hole for holding up his inheritance, and an even bigger a-hole because I will be screwing over all the people who work for him. But my dad is still alive. He's not dead, and I'm just not willing to go through his pockets while he's still breathing. My other brother agrees with me, while my sister agrees with my brother. So am I the a-hole here?
Here are the top comments.
Your father is alive. There is no inheritance. Dementia care can be expensive. Your father's assets need to be used to support him while he lives. Distributing the estate early is stealing from your father. In many jurisdictions, a power of attorney has a legal obligation to act in the best interest of the person he is power of attorney of. Removing property from the estate to no benefit would not be in the father's best interest and would therefore be a criminal act. You would be personally liable for the property, not the a-hole.
Not the a-hole. Suggested response: Dad is alive. I am not holding up your inheritance because your inheritance does not yet exist. Do not put me in the uncomfortable position of asking me again.
Not the a-hole. Absolutely don't sell the property. As you've pointed out, your dad is living. Regarding your brother's business, if it's viable, he can take out a loan. If he can't take out a loan, it's not viable.